Hey everyone, I am LearnRobo and welcome to my channel Learn New, where you can learn something new daily. My today's video topic is what is light? Light is a wave or particle. What? So let's start our today's video. The firstly Greek physicist and mathematician Euclid studied light, which he described in his book Optica. According to him, light always moves in a straight line. In the same way, ancient Indian scientists believed that light is a basic atom from which our body is made up. But in the 17th century, René Descartes, a French scientist and mathematician, he explained in his theory, Corpuscles theory of light, that light is a kind of particle which has fixed velocity and which only moves in a straight line. He named this particle corpuscles. Even the great scientist Sir Isaac Newton also believed corpuscles theory of light to be correct. He believed that light is a type of particle based on his imagination. He explained some properties of light such as refraction of light. But long after Sir Newton died, in the 19th century, when scientists did many experiments on light, they found that Newton's imagined that light is a particle got it wrong. When scientists made two rays of light cross each other, they found that the rays of light do not interact with each other, but the basic nature of the particle is to interact with each other in such a way that when the light is particles, so they interact with each other and bounce around. But here the beam of light do not interact with each other, which proved that light is not a particle. In the same way, light also shows interference patterns that show only waves, not particles. According to modern experiments, scientists have found that light is not a particle but a wave. One example of those experiments is Max Planck's black body radiation experiment. When Max Planck studied black body radiation, he found that light is a packet of energy that receives or loses a certain amount of energy. They named this energy packet quanta, and this is where quantum mechanics, a separate branch of physics, was born. Light or visual light is a small part of the spectrum of our electromagnetic radiation. Well, what is electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic radiation is a type of wave that doesn't have its own mass and is propagated by an electromagnetic field that transfers energy from one place to another. Visible light or simply light is an electromagnetic radiation has wavelength ranging from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers in the electromagnetic spectrum, which is approximately equal to the size of a bacteria. In addition to the visible light in the spectrum of our electromagnetic radiation, there are also electromagnetic radiation of many different wavelengths. For example, the gamma rays, which has the shortest wavelength, is the same as the long radio wave, which has the highest wavelength. When we talk, why is it so special about our visual light? Well, nothing. Visual light is the part of our electromagnetic spectrum that only our eyes can see. Now the question is, where does light come from? Well, electromagnetic radiation is formed when atoms and molecules move from higher energy state to lower energy state. The same when electron moves from the excited energy state to the lower energy state, the visual light is lost in the form of radiation. In the same way, when an electron observes radiation, it moves from the lowest energy state to the highest energy state. The velocity of propagating of electromagnetic radiation is about approximately 300 lakh km per second. Well, we're wrong. All matter in the universe having a mass of 0 travels at the speed of light, which is c. Here, the mass of electromagnetic radiation is also 0. Therefore, the velocity of propagation of electromagnetic radiation is also equal to the speed of light. The speed of light is also called c, which is equal to 3 lakh km per second approximately. A speed of light or c is so high that we can reach the moon in just 1.25 seconds, where we humans take about 3 days to reach. So mainly, what is light? Is a particle or wave? Well, Light is both particle or wave. Sometimes visual light behaves like a particle, sometimes it behaves like a wave. It depends on how visual light interact with matter. So I hope you understand. If you learned something with this video, then hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel Learn New and turn on the notification bell. So see you again in next video. For then, bye bye.